What? Guys, the demon infection is here. And
No! Get off! Get off me!
should we run? Let me get mine
Yeah,
on.
I have my weapons.
Let me get mine.
Tap.
Run. Come on, get on the
You won't be
crystal.
able to find us in here.
Wait, where are you guys?
We're in the OG caves. Oh shoot, we just gave away our hiding spot. Come on, we need to find a key card.
Get the key card.
I will get it.
Oh, he's coming.
The key card.
What? Wait, why is everything doubled? Everything on my
Go
screen is
quick.
doubled.
The demon infection is...
Wait, who just joined?
I don't know.
Go quick. He's coming.
Where'd the key card go?
Anthony.
That's not good. Well, come on, quick.
We're in OG caves.
Oh, it's right. I got the key card.
We're in OG caves.
Guys, OG Caves mine.
Yo, I think it's good. Let's go.
Yeah. What's this? No!
I'll let you back open.
Where are you?
No!
Bro, there's a button right there.
Ow.
Guys, he's stoned me.
Dude, they swear?
I don't know.
I just joined. The
Bacon!
blue guy who asked me to
Bacon,
join.
you're my bet. You remember me from high school? It's a demon infection!
No. Stop. It's me, Timmy. Get off me. Destroy me. Text me.
Ah! I think we destroyed him.
No.
Preston, you're back?
No, I'm not Preston.
One last final blow!
Help me.
Now run!
Help me. Help me.
What?
Infection. Infection.
I think we're about to end all the infection. Buzzy! We need to leave OG Caves.
Oh yeah, but like now I'm half infected. I used to be his best
Shoot! Oh shoot! There's a countdown that there's a countdown that I set off.
Wait.
There's a countdown that's about to crumble. We need to get out.
Guys,
In minus 10,
guys,
9,
guys,
8, 7, 6, 5. Buzzy, come on. 4,
stop.
3.
Stuck in between the cages. I tried to get him out.
Are you
Not
infected?
bad.
No.
Buzzy. In 3, 2, 1. It's starting to crumble. It just crumbled all the way. At least I killed some infected. I killed some infected. I killed some infected. Let's go. I'm safe. Hey, I know you were in there. I know you're in there.
I survived.
You did take that dang party head off. They're coming. Run.
Just doing a role play. What?
Where's Bacon? Ah!
Well, are you infected or are you you infected? Hey, are you infected?
Yeah, he's the demon infected.
So I'm half.
No, I'm infected
better
too. I'm
run.
infected too, but with a different
Run
virus.
before I.
No.
Shoot. We need to run!
Guys, yes. Where? I knew this could be useful. It's busy, Dad.
Busy, I know you're in there. I know the weakness. I know your weakness. You want to know what it is? It's water. It's water.
I'm back.
Yes.
I'm back.
I know.
Yes, I'm back.
I know to end the firework infected. Woo! You're dead. I killed the firework infected.
Yes. I finally have. Yes. Yes.
I killed the firework infected.
Guys, remember me?
Wait, remember who?
Me. Beating it off. Remember that fire tool? Turns out, where's my fire tool? Turns out that was quite powerful.
Back. Yes.
You're back. Yes, I killed the
Yeah. I killed the devil infection. Never to be
It's
seen
a
again.
firework.
The devil infection, the only one that couldn't be
He's back.
kind of devil.
Guys,
Don't you?
Sorry.
No one can
guys,
my friend.
come to mirror.
Run. Just run quick. Before he
Come on, Bacon.
You stay away from my
Crappy,
friend.
Crappy's transforming. Run. Run, I don't know weak. Run. Quick, everyone.
Guys, I have to end the video. Everybody come to mirror.
Everyone, quick, follow me to mountains. Everyone follow me to mountains if you want to be safe. Run. Come on to mountains. We have to rush.
Come to mountains.
Guys, even though we're stopping recording, can we still do it? Because it's really fun. I've really
My
enjoyed it.
Arceus is about to die.
No. Alright,
Yeah.
guys, I think we're all safe.
I think we're all safe.
Everyone safe? Okay, that's good. Good to know we're all safe. No, I hear him. Guys, quick, wait, who's infected?
Buzzy.
I think Bacon's infected. I used to be infected. Guys, follow me. I used to be infected, but I'm not anymore. No, see him. He's infected. Stay away from him.
Buzzy, come and take me. Buzzy, come and take me. Now. I know how to end this. I am a god. I can end anything.
Wait, what? You're the one who started this war.
Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry I didn't tell you soon enough. I'm a god! Ah!
Wait, quick.
Ah! Super punch! Now take that!
I'm gonna say something.
The last blow! The firework infection is gone!
Russian. Final. Russian. I'm here. Russian.
Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Guys, thank you all for acting in this G-Tag movie. Just thank you.
And thank you. No, Anthony, and especially thank you for bringing us all together today. Thank you. all.
Sorry.
Thank you for bringing us all.
My Arceus died.